So we'll quickly compare two sheets that have been extracted from a Revit model together. So in either our thumbnail view or our list view, we can easily come into the specific sheet we want to compare. In this case, we have two versions. I can come and compare. Now, if I had more than two, let's say I had 5 or 10, I could easily select what we wanted to compare against. So I could have 1 to 3, 2 to 3, 3 to 5, etc., etc. So for this case, since we have two, we'll compare our current A102 to the V1 of A102. In our compare mode, we have a couple options. First, we can click on the eyedropper view here to color the different versions. And in this specific setting, which is our light table view, we're looking through, almost like an old light table, the different versions. So on the top is version 2, on the bottom is version 1. You can see here some subtle differences that are poking through in this version. But if you want to actually have more discernible differences, we can actually go to the slider. Now, it's probably hard to see, but there's a blue slider line here. On the left is version 1 colored red. On the right is version 2 colored blue. And by simply grabbing this slider, moving it over and exposing and unexposing across the different versions, we see what has changed. So if you look here in room 1511, we see that in version 2, someone has omitted the doors that existed in version 1. And now we can take the appropriate action to make sure we resolve that conflict.